Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault, welcome to another spontaneous vlog. I'm here at Kawasaki, Hyderabad, and yes, the lockdown is happening here, but we are allowed to go out between 6 to 10, and I'm here on a very emergent basis to capture the first delivery in AP Telangana of the Ninja 300 BS6 model. You guys have been requesting for my first ride review. That will happen once the demo bike is here, but this is the capturing the delivery moment of Ninja 300 BS6 model of the 2021 model, and we have really excited owners who are really happy to take delivery of this mean machine. They've been waiting long and strong, and I believe it's worth the wait. For now, let's get started with the delivery of the 2021 Ninja 300 BS6 model. Okay, here we have Mr. Samrat taking the delivery, one of the first two people to take delivery of the Ninja 300 2021 model. Samrat, how do you feel?
I really feel excited, sir. This being my second bike. But yes, I always dreamt of owning a twin cylinder bike because of the refinement and the Japanese quality. Earlier I used to have MT-15, now this. I see it as an upgrade. Not many people might not see it, but I see it as an upgrade and I'm happy about it.
Okay. First of all, many congratulations to you. Can we know the reason why you chose the Ninja 300?
Sir, as I said, earlier I used to have a 150cc and I felt that bit as an underpowered bike. Okay. Bit more power is what my requirement is. Okay. But at the same time, keeping budget constraints in mind, I felt this is one of the best in its class. To be honest, what's available in the market.
Okay. Have you ridden the 300 before?
Actually, only once.
Okay.
Only once.
How was your experience?
Smooth. That's the word I would use, because I have also ridden Duke 390. Okay. Great bike it is, just like how you people say, but smoothness is what. Yes, the smooth refinement.
Refinement and trusted and proven reliability of Kawasaki that comes as standard, right? Yes, so wishing you all the best. I'm sure you made a wise choice, and more miles and smiles ahead for you with the new companion, and wishing you all the best. Now we're going to talk to another gentleman who's among the first again to pick up his Ninja 300. अभी हमारे साथ हैं हुसैन भाई. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हुसैन भाई, many congratulations to you. You are among the first lucky souls to pick up the new Ninja 300 2021 model. How does it feel?
Thank you, Dino. It's been a very long wait. I think almost 1 year and 5 months I've been waiting for this. Tried for the BS4 model earlier, but then couldn't get it because of the limited stock. But then finally the wait is over, and I think I'll be cherishing this for a long time.
Very well said. Yeah, it is worth the wait is what I feel as well. I know there are a lot of fanboys for Ninja 300 with the kind of trusted and proven reliability they try to offer, and it's a tried and tested power plant, the 300cc power plant, and it is like Kawasaki. The name itself is enough, right? It's synonymous.
Absolutely. The Kawasaki, the brand itself talks about itself. Yeah. The trust what we have, and obviously riding a twin parallel engine is something different. It's altogether a different pleasure. Okay. So yeah, looking forward to it.
So which bike are you upgrading from?
I had an RR310 earlier. I wanted a twin cylinder. I've been having friends who've been riding 300, Ninja 300. So obviously a slight difference is there.
Yeah. It's like a small upgrade, but a significant upgrade.
Significant upgrade, yes. Cost-wise, yes. But then in terms of engine, in terms of riding, yes.
Okay. Have you ridden the 300 earlier?
Yes, a couple of times. I've taken test drives also of BS4, and plus I have got a couple of friends who've purchased from the same showroom. Okay. So I've driven it, and yeah.
Very satisfied.
Very much.
Very much. So wishing you all the best. May you keep up your smile. The smile is not apparent because of the masks that we are wearing, but yeah, safety comes first. And wishing you many more smiles ahead as you cover more miles with your new riding companion. And keep smiling, keep rocking.
Thanks,